Hey writers, welcome back to Quick Tip Mondays, your weekly dose of writing wisdom served fast and fun. Today we're diving into a challenge that will twist your perspective in the best way possible, the object's perspective. Sounds a little weird, right? But trust me, this one is a game changer. So here's the deal. We're flipping the camera and telling a story not from your hero or villain's point of view, but from the perspective of an object in the room. That's right, a dusty chandelier, a cracked teacup, the old boots by the door. They are the ones telling the story today. Why? Because writing from a non-human point of view forces you to think differently. It breaks you out of your usual narrative patterns and opens the door to creativity you didn't even know you had. Think about it. An object doesn't understand the full context of a fight, or a breakup, or a betrayal, but it senses things. The heat of an argument might make the candle tremble. A book might long for the hands used to flip its pages every night. A rug might flinch every time someone stomps through the door. When you write through this lens, you're forced to notice the world in new ways. Textures, vibrations, echoes, absences. It's no longer about what people say, it's about what lingers. And it doesn't stop at descriptions. This trick builds character too. The object becomes a silent observer of habits, tempers, and rituals. Maybe the cracked mirror has watched someone practice a fake smile every morning. Maybe the coat rack misses the hat that never came home. Objects can't speak, but they remember. And when you tap into that, you're not just writing a scene, you're writing layers of emotion, mood, and history. Here's your challenge this week. Write a dramatic event from the POV of an inanimate object. Pick anything, a key, a curtain, a half-eaten apple, and let it tell the story. You'll be surprised how naturally mystery, tension, and curiosity find their way onto the page. You might even discover a brand new character or subplot hiding in the background all along. If you give this challenge a try, drop your favorite sentences in the comments below. I'd love to see what you come up with. And that's a wrap on this episode of Quick Tip Mondays. If this gave you a fresh idea, hit that like button and share it with your fellow wordsmiths. And subscribe for more bite-sized writing tips. Until next time, keep experimenting, keep exploring, and keep telling stories only you can tell. Happy writing!